Okay, in this video, we're going to go through Cambridge Y12, Extension 1, Exercise 8D, Question 9. So prove that using the vectors that the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So here I have a parallelogram already with stuff annotated. But the first thing you got to do is let Q be the midpoint of AC. So there's AC right there. Okay, and let's just say the Q here is the middle between that point and that point. For now, we assume that it is. Okay, but after we assume that that means these two are equal. And if you want to prove that the diagonals actually bisect each other, that means you want to prove eventually OQ is half of OB as well. Okay, because Q is already the midpoint of this line. You want to show that Q is also the midpoint of this line. I say so OQ has to be proven to be half of OB. Okay, which is eventually what I do here. So, okay, let's get into it. AQ, okay, and QC basically are the same vector. They are equal to half of AC, which is half of the vector going this way. Okay, OQ also, okay, is equal to OA plus AQ. Okay, using the sum of vectors. But we know that AQ is half of AC. So we're going to replace AQ by QC. So this is, oh wait, no, sorry. OQ is equal to OA plus AQ, but AQ, which is this vector, is half of AC, which is this vector. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, that's this. All right. So that means OQ, this vector here, instead of going OA plus AQ, it's OA plus half AC. Okay, so that AQ is now replaced by this. Okay, then, you know that AC can be broken up into OC minus OA. We expand these two out, okay, so that this next term here, which is negative half OA, can be simplified with this. And that gives you half OA plus half OC, which is then going to give you this result here. Okay. But the thing is, OC is equal to CB. So this, sorry, OA is equal to CB. So this OA here, okay, can be changed to CB. Okay. So that's because in a parallelogram, OA and CB, they are opposite sides of a parallelogram. So they're equal and same direction. Okay, so they just switched this into this. Okay. All right, so now that I've done that, I've got OC and CB here. Well, that's OC and CB there. Okay, which is basically OB if you sum those vectors up. Okay, so this has now turned into OB. Okay, so therefore OQ, okay, which was OA plus AQ, okay, the blue ones here, added together. We did all this working out, okay, just to show that it's equal to now half OB. So OQ is now half of OB. Okay, therefore we've already gotten Q as a midpoint of these 2 points. And now we've also shown that Q is the middle between O to B by showing OQ is half of OB. Okay, therefore the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other.